3 red cards in a World Cup opener. Yes, you heard that right, history was made. And we are going to break down every single moment of it. June 11th, Mexico City. Estadio Azteca, the only stadium on planet Earth to have hosted 3 different World Cups. 1970, 1986. And now. 2026. Over 80,000 fans packed inside. Shakira on the stage. The whole world watching. And then, the whistle blew. 9 minutes. That's all it took. South Africa gave the ball away cheaply in their own half. Julian Quinones pounced and buried it. The first goal of the 2026 World Cup. Scored. 9 minutes in. Mexico was flying. Quinones nearly made it 2 before halftime, hitting the post. Gutierrez missed a sitter. But El Tri went into the break 1-0 up, and fully in control. Then the second half happened. And things got interesting. 49th minute, South Africa's Sfefolo Sithole brought down Brian Gutierrez as he raced clean through on goal. Straight red card. South Africa down to 10 men. 65th minute, Mexico bring on 17-year-old Gilberto Mora. The youngest player at this entire World Cup. On the biggest stage. In front of 80,000 people. 1 minute later, Raul Jimenez. A cross from Alvarado. A free header at the back post. And a goal that Jimenez had been waiting his entire career for, his first ever World Cup goal. Mexico 2. South Africa 0. But it wasn't over. 83rd minute, South Africa's substitute Themba Zwane sees red. Bafana are now down to 9 men. And then, just when you thought Mexico would cruise home, their own defender, Cesar Montes, gets sent off too. 3 red cards. In a World Cup opener. More red cards than goals. The last time a World Cup game had 3 straight reds. 1998, and guess who was involved that time too? South Africa. Final score, Mexico 2, South Africa 0. The hosts win. History is made. And the 2026 World Cup has announced itself to the world in the most dramatic way possible. Day 1. Done. And we are just getting started.